on visit today with my latest Papergang. You know how much I love Papergang. I can't wait to open it. My name's Fawn, this is my channel and it's a happy place. If you like unboxing, stationery, clothing, bits around the house, once I did a food thing, then please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave a comment. Now before I start, what do you think of the lippy? You've got to let me know, girls. That is the NARS, you know, the cohorted box that I opened yesterday? It's the NARS, what did we say? What did I say it was called? Famous Red. But I actually think it's quite nice. It's more of a cherry red, but I'm just not sure with the colour of my hair. So you're just going to have to give me some advice there. Anyway, let's get to the most important thing, which is Papergang. Look how pretty the colours are on this month. I always say this week in this video. Always do. Carry on as if I had it weekly, although I probably wouldn't be unhappy if I did. When you undo it, I only noticed because Jean Louise mentioned it. Just on the inside there, it says hello stationery lover. I've never noticed. And then Jean Louise spotted it. And I thought, well, I've got to look and see if mine does that too. And of course it does. Inside, it's all beautifully packaged, as always. There's all the information about how they do what they do. And the fact that they plant a tree for every 4 boxes that they sell. Got a get a free V60, whatever that is. Oh, it's a coffee. Get a free V60 brew kit. I don't know what bit of that it would be. It says go to packedcoffee.com, create your coffee plan, add your discount code BREWGANG at checkout, and you will get a free V60 brew kit. I always tell you guys these things because you just never know. You might have a coffee lover in your house and you think, oh, that would be a brilliant idea. I mean, it'd be no good for me. I couldn't drink coffee. I'd be trying to talk to you. I'd be going, blah, 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 blah. But there may be someone who loves coffee. And then the booklet. It used to be a book. Now it's a sheet of paper folded, but it tells you the artist. And I don't think I mentioned the artist last box that I did. This one is designed by a lady called Amy Hastings. Well done, Amy Hastings. And it tells you her philosophy, what her art is about, the kinds of things that she does. She is based in York. Oh, so she's a Brit too. Brilliant. Okay, and then it lists the items in your box. So that's the important bit, and that's where I'm going now. So, tear it open. And dive right in. Okay, first up is a pin. I haven't had a pin from them for a while. This is a really cute one. Look, it says Creative Juice. Isn't that a cute pin? Creative Juice. I still haven't found anything to pin them all to. They're all in a dish upstairs. I would love to have something to pin them to. But I mean, when I was a kid, I had a denim jacket and we put them all over like the collar of the but I mean, at my age, it's a bit, So I've got to think of something that I could pin them to, because I don't want to throw them away. They're much, much, much too nice. But just sitting in a bowl, I mean, anyway, Creative Juice pin. Then, an A6 detective notebook. I love this. Look, it's flips open, you know, like the police do when they pull up and they go, right, name, flip it open. It says this notebook belongs to inside, and then it's just lined. It's in a sort of a pink dot, the lines inside. I hope you can see that. Isn't that brilliant? I haven't got anything that opens that way. Detective notebook, and look at the design on it. Can you see? Things like sardines, matches saying light my fire. I mean, that artwork is fabulous. Then we have 2 greeting cards. I use all their cards, so I'm always happy to get them. So first of all, we've got Go Get 'em, Tiger. Look how brilliant that is. I wish I was arty. I'm really not. With a really pretty green envelope. So one of my gang, one of you guys, one of my friends we'll be getting that at some point. And then the other one is a happy birthday one. I don't know anyone's birthdays. People are going to have to, you know, you guys that we exchange cards and things like that, let me know when your birthdays are. That's a happy birthday with a cake on it. Love it. Next, I've got some sticker sheets. Now, as you know, I bullet journal. I love stickers. I buy them all the time, and it's all the same ones that are on the book. So I particularly like, look at that, the little box of matches that says, light my fire. I like the can of sardines as well. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of stickers. So that's generous. Oh, I do like that. I can definitely have a month or two where those stickers are in play. And then last but not least is a lovely little canvas pouch bag with lightning strikes, I think that is on it. Does it say anything? It just says Papergang. And inside is, I think it's writing pens. Let's see. No, it's not. It's colouring pens. Oh, nice. What does it actually say in the book? 12 different colours in a brightly printed carrying pouch. Look at those. Aren't they nice? And what does it say? Be kind to yours. Oh, they all have different things said on them. I'll read them. So you've got get it done and let your mind wander. You've got have a good day. You've got this. Let's get creative. You are smart. You look like fun. Oh, that one's a blank one. Creative juice. Inspire yourself. Be brave. And be kind to yourself. Well, I mean, that is absolutely fabulous. The colouring pencils with inspirational quotes on them, all in the cutest little pouch. I love that. Do you love that? I love that. Yeah, there's one, the orange one. Doesn't have anything on it, so I wonder if that's a mistake, because everything else has got a comment on it. I love it. Papergang is hands down, I think, the best value for money box that I get. But that's because I love stationery. I mean, if you're not into stationery, you may completely disagree, but it is the best value for money. I love Papergang. So it's the colouring pens, the sticker sheets. Get down, Bert, please. Get down, please. The 2 cards, and this is just delicious. The detective's notebook. I mean, it's different from all the rest. I mean, the artwork is different anyway, but even the way that it functions, the way you use it, love that. So that was Papergang for, I wonder if this is March or April. It doesn't say, but I'm pretty sure that this is April's. If I'm wrong, I'll put it in the blurb. They now do a sock subscription, an awesome pair of socks per month from Oh Dear called Put a Sock in It. And the other side of the paper that gives you all the information, you've got a colouring in sheet, you know, like kids have, but it's got Amy's artwork on it, so you can have a go at, or I can have a go at colouring in her kinds of things. I'm absolutely convinced that this is March's box, but you never know with me. So that was Papergang. I had a shocking night's sleep last night, absolutely shocking. I'm getting leg pains. I think I'm short of something. I'm speaking to the doctor today to see what the results of the blood tests will tell us. But it meant that I was up and out of bed and showered and dressed by 6:30 this morning, because I just couldn't stand lying there anymore, constantly moving my legs and just feeling awful. So I've been out to Sainsbury's, I've done loads of things already, and it's only 1 o'clock. I feel like it must be bedtime. So my eyes are puffier than ever, although they're pretty bad, aren't they, these days? Puffier than ever. And I'm trying to get on. I finally ordered some curtains for the bedroom that I'm doing. They should arrive tomorrow. And I'm still waiting on the navy paint to do the radiator in the cupboard, because I can't finish the room, which is making me crazy because I've pretty much got everything now that I need, I think. There may be the odd thing I'll come up with, but generally I've got everything. So it's just that navy paint I'm waiting on. I ordered it from the Friendchick site. I've never used Friendchick before because I tried contacting my local stockist, but of course they're shut for lockdown. And even though they say we'll put it on the doorstep and things, no reply. So it's fair enough. So I've had to order from the main site, and they did say that they were having problems and running delays, but this is a heck of a long delay now. So I'm just praying because I haven't even had my email to say it's on its way. So I don't quite know what's happening there, but it's keeping me back from finishing, and I would love to finish because I'm about ready to push on. I've got somebody coming to take the cot and changing table away tomorrow, so in theory I could be starting the nursery in the next day or two, and it won't be because of this hold up, because I really want to finish one properly finished, dot the I's, cross the T's before I move on to the next, because I am guilty sometimes of leaving little things and forever afterwards being, saying to people, oh, that was never meant to stay that colour, or oh, we were always gonna something with that, and just not finishing it. So I'm not gonna let myself move on until I've done it. So yeah, roll on Friendchick. Come on, Friendchick. But that's me, as I say, just a quickie. Just wanted to dive on and see how everyone was. I wanted to do a shout out to Trish on Mrs. P, Secret Diary of Mrs. P. A lot of you will know who she is. I'm going to put her thing in the bottom. She's just had a piece of skin removed from her arm that is suspected to be cancerous. And I know she's been struggling, but yesterday she put out a video. I was so proud of her. I was like, yeah, go girl, because she looked fabulous. And she was really determined to be a happy lady and was showing it. And it sort of resonated because I've kept it very, very quiet, but my husband tomorrow goes in to have a skin cancer removed from his head. We already know it's a cancer, and depending on the results, because we've had a biopsy done, depending on the results, he may also have to have some radiotherapy. But I'm fairly confident. Lots of people, get out of it, people like T-Mouse have told me that she's got a brother-in-law that has skin cancers removed regularly. So that has calmed me down a little bit because I have been very worried the last few weeks. So, but anyway, getting off the subject of my husband to her, and Trish, you're being amazing. You're being amazing, and you look so fabulous with your new teeth and your hair, and you're fabulous. So please check her out if you can. We all need love at these times, and that's me. I've chanted away 2 minutes of showing you a blinking stationery box and 10 minutes of me having a yak. Okay, so I'm off, and you know me, I'm always around, aren't I? So I'll be back soon. Okay, bye guys.